Another update on the washer motor project. And I've sat out here and I've played with this thing a little bit, and I did figure out how to get it all timed and in phase where I can run all the contacts to one rectifier. It turned out just a matter of timing, and I had to play with it. You can see where I've marked my magnets. And anyway, we've got it to where it's turning smooth. It's not fighting any of the other phases. And we're going to do a quick test on that. Something else I found out in playing is that how far down on the coils the rotors are kind of affects how much power it kicks out. And I would think that, as much, all the way, that would be the most. But I kept turning this rotor out a little bit, and my my numbers kept getting bigger. I just thought that was neat. If you're doing this, you might give that a try and just see if you get anything different. I didn't adjust this one because, man, it was really hard to get this rotor lined up to where it wasn't hitting the stator anywhere. But we're going to do a quick test on this one right quick just to see what it does. Now, okay, I've got my meter reset. Get this back over here to where how did I do this? Try to get it where there's no glare. Okay. Alright, we're using the same drill, the same setup. We're going to see what it'll do now. Alright, now this is tied into my battery bank, so obviously it's going to fluctuate a little bit as my, as the voltage from my existing turbines comes and goes. Pulled off 12 amps, 345 watts. Much better numbers than we got yesterday. So I think that I think this will be a pretty interesting turbine. Anyway, just been a quick, real fast update. That's what we got. Thanks for watching, guys.